In my last video working on the XRS, I noticed some oil buildup inside my stock intake plenum, which isn't the worst thing in the world, but it's not exactly ideal. Today I'm going to be solving this problem by installing two Evil Energy oil catch cans.
First, I need to figure out where on earth I'm going to install these. On my 2007 Corolla LE, I've had my catch can bolted onto the battery tie-down, which is great. For the XRS though, it's not going to be so easy. Firstly, I have two of these things I need to install, and secondly, my battery got pushed forward from my previous modification, which got rid of my stock battery tie-down. Thanks me. I ended up deciding to place these catch cans right here around the cruise control box for a couple of reasons. While the right side doesn't really have any good open spots, so that's out of the question. This open space between the intake and the battery looks perfect, but the intake does get in the way a little bit, and in general, I'm not super hot about placing these catch cans around this area. This space around the cruise control box is decent mainly due to its close proximity to the PCV and breather, and because I can put both catch cans in the same place. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox these catch cans. So we've got some instructions here which we will definitely be needing. This kit comes with a mounting bracket, nuts and bolts, some fun looking coily thing which absolutely doesn't look like a kitchen scoring pad, O-rings, 3/8 and 5/8 fittings, a 3/8 hose that's longer than the average American's lifespan, and then the oil catch can. Obviously. So before we can install these, we have to get everything set up. First, we have to unscrew the body of the catch can so we can see inside, and then take out this small little cell and then open it up. Now the kitchen scrubber stuff they give you is too big to fit inside here. It's definitely because they're super generous and wanted to give you more than you needed, and totally not because this stuff was bought from Dollar Tree. Cut this in half and then stuff it into our little cell here and close it up. Now what I like to do is breathe through it to make sure that air can actually flow through. It's not because I'm a weirdo, leave me alone. And now we need to reassemble everything. Cool, now it'll need some fittings. I'm using 3/8 on the PCV and 5/8 on the breather can. To install the fittings, you just slip the O-ring on it like a condom and then screw it in. Evil Energy says you should use Teflon tape on the threads to prevent leaks, but what do they know? It's not like they made the product or anything. Then finally, we can install the mounting bracket using the provided nuts and bolts. And now we have our first main issue. So this mounting bracket doesn't have a hole where I need it, so I'm gonna have to drill one here, and technically two since I have two brackets I need to drill. Now it's no secret that I don't have a garage anymore, so I guess I'm gonna have to drill these inside. That's one done. And that's the other complete. Now let's bolt these catch cans into the car. I'm using a slightly longer bolt to go through the two mounting brackets as well as the bracket for the cruise control box. Now I just need to trim these vacuum hoses to size and then attach them everywhere they need to go.
Oh, I'm such an idiot. I realized I put it into the in, not the out.
And obviously let's do this for both catch cans. And the catch cans are fully installed. Hopefully I don't have issues starting the car this time.
And there we have it. So as you saw earlier, I've had this same Evil Energy oil catch can in my Corolla LE for a little over 8 months now, and it's worked pretty well, so I imagine that these oil catch cans in the XRS are going to be just as good. I mean, considering that they're from the same company. This should definitely keep oil from building up inside the new R9K plenum, which is exactly what I was after. I'll be sure to make an update video in the future about the performance of these cans and how well they actually collect the oil. If you want to see how to install this R9K intake plenum in your 2ZZ powered car and gain up to 10 horsepower, then click up here to watch that video, and click over here to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.